Greetings everyone. In this video I'm going to create a Lego doghouse with step-by-step, easy to follow building instructions. Let's begin. We're going to start off with the walls of the doghouse, take 3 1x4 bricks and stack them atop one another. We'll want to make a total of 3 of these. Once these are completed, begin placing them on the outer edges of the 6x6 red plate like so. Now let's construct the dog entrance. Take the arch 1x4 and place atop 2 1x1 bricks on each end. Go ahead and place that on a hard surface to make sure the pieces are flush with one another and nothing is uneven. Now place that on the one remaining side of the 6x6 plate. Let's begin working on the 4 corners of the doghouse. By the way, if you want your doghouse taller for the larger dogs, just repeat 1 additional layer from the previous step and this step. We want to make a total of 12 of these pieces by taking a 1x1 brick with 2 adjacent side studs and placing a 1x1 tile on each side stud. Don't worry if the tiles are not straight, we'll fix this in the next step. Now take 3 of those and stack atop one another, making sure the sides with the tiles are lined up. Now place each of the non-tiled sides on a hard surface and press down. This will straighten any uneven tiles. And since we have 4 corners of the doghouse, let's repeat this 3 additional times. Bring our doghouse back in and input the 4 corners into place. They should slide in with ease. Now we'll prepare our roof by placing a 2x6 plate on the left and right sides of the doghouse. place the 1x2 plate at the back between the 2x6 plates. And then the 1x2 plate with side clip at the front of the doghouse between the 2x6 plates. And let's snap our bone onto that clip. Okay, let's finish up with our roof. Place a 2x4 brick at the top, front, and back sides of the doghouse like so. Now place a 2x4 45-degree angled slope on the top, front, right side of the roof. Then place a 2x2 45-degree angled slope at the back right side. We are going to repeat this for the opposite side, this time placing a 2x2 slope at the front side and a 2x4 slope at the back side. Once completed, you should have a 2x4 slope opposite a 2x2 slope, and so on. Now place a 2x2 slope on the top, front, right side and a 2x4 slope on the back right side. For the top left side, this time place a 2x2 slope at the back and a 2x4 slope at the front. Take a 1x2 brick and place it on the top front of the roof. And repeat this for the back. Finishing off the right side of the roof, place a 2x4 slope at the front and a 2x2 slope at the back. On the left side, place a 2x2 slope at the front and a 2x4 slope at the back. Finally, snap the 1x6 tiles into place. Bring in the dog bowl and bone, and the dog toy, and your pet is all set. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you have the taller dogs, you'll need to add one layer to the doghouse as shown on the left. If you like learning how to build custom Lego creations, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy building!